In classic black and white, this Perrelet A1054A fits in perfectly at your club, and everything on the face is useful. A small window gives you the date, and the 3 dials make the best use of the stopwatch's full functionality for the active lifestyle. Not to mention, it's water resistant up to 777 meters with the crown, 2 buttons, and lugs of dependable solid stainless steel. Owners of similar models rave about the comfortable bracelet with its butterfly clasp. This one fits a wrist of up to 8.25 inches. The Perrelet insignia is branded on the crown and the front and back of the case, and a show of pride on the part of the Swiss watchmaker dynasty that began in 1777 with industry-changing innovations. And it's touted by connoisseurs as a high-quality watch.
.300 watches, infinite possibilities.